Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have my buddy Derek's 2009 LS3 Corvette, and this thing's essentially full bolt on. I'll have him do the info of the build. It's got a cam. This thing is sick. Wow, I really said your name wrong. It's Dylan, not Derek. What on earth am I thinking? Who's there, Derek, that I know with him? Why am I thinking Derek? I don't know. Either way. So essentially full bolt on.
Yes, sir.
Headers, Borla attack. Yep. You said ghost cam? No, not ghost cam.
It's a Texas Speed Stage 3 boost cam.
That's it. What? Listen, I typically film in the morning. This is at night. So yeah, we're making it work.
It's out of your element. Still stock clutch. Basically intake, full exhaust, and a cam.
So the perfect NA build.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, I completely forgot you guys did this today. Oh, this is agony. Where do you put the manholes? Oh, that center gets warm.
Yeah, a little bit.
He's had oh, those tires tramline a little bit. About the lockout.
Yeah, the lockout's a little messed up, so it's not the greatest getting into fifth. Other than that,
I'm a child.
it has full factory C6 Z06 suspension and everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it still doesn't handle the best on the drag pack.
There's a police station right up here, so just kind of do.
Free bone by, you know.
I can't do neutral because then it's gonna sound like a cam.
Yep. If they don't see it, or they see it from far away, it's
exactly. It's a red Corvette. We're fine.
Yep.
What's the worst that's gonna happen?
Yeah.
Do not rev match, downshift, because that will just make big bang noise, and that gives everything away.
Yes.
I love Beak V8 with cam. Fun noises.
You gotta cam yours next.
Yeah, no kidding. But I have a warranty, and I like warranties too.
Yeah.
Warranties are fun, but some people are the warranties.
Yep. Yeah, you know, this is just a little out of the warranty.
Well, it's an 09 with 81,000 miles, so it was out of warranty anyway.
This is out of warranty when I was like 12 years old anyway, so.
Tee. That's like hooks and books.
Right?
I love this thing. Dylan, this is awesome.
It's not bad, you know. Doesn't take much to make this fun.
Alright, where's my U-turn point? I'll find something. Dylan, thank you, my man.
Oh, of course, dude.
This is sick. Good way to end the day.
Right?
But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.